Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Shamyak Technicals, and today I am going to unboxing this wireless headphone of MI. As you can see that at the side it is written the name, and in this side also it is written the name, and here it is written about the quantity. It contains one headphone, charging cable, aux cable and one user manual. The price of these headphones are rupees 2200 rupees, and here it is written more about it. It requires 2 hours of charging, and you should give the 1 ampere input, and the color of this headphones are black and gold. So let's unbox the headphone. Till then you can subscribe my channel and also press on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you get a notification of that video. As you can see that in the box, here is an user manual. Let's keep it aside. Here it is an pack in which there is an aux cable and an charging cable, and here is our main unit. As you can see that the wireless headphones. Let's keep the box aside. As you can see that the design of these headphones are very stylish. It has an Bluetooth 5.0 support. At the side it is the branding of MI, and on inside it is written right and left, L left, R right. Let's talk about the ports in this headphones. As you can see in the right side at the below there is a charging port. As you can see that, and one is aux cable, and here there are mic. It is the mic, and it is the LED which blinks as you will turn on the headphone. Here it is the power button, as you can see that, and here is the volume rocker. Let me on this product. You have to press it. As you can see that the LED is blinking. It means that this headphones is on, and if you want to pair you have to press it for 5 to 8 seconds. This supports Bluetooth 5.0, and suppose that you are using this headphone in Bluetooth mode and you want to use an aux cable, with aux cable. If you will put the aux cable, it will automatically turn off the Bluetooth. As you can see that it will play songs or anything by the aux cable, and nothing else is in the box. Let me tell you some more specification about that. The weight of this product is about 150 gram. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, and there is nothing else. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload the new video in my YouTube channel Shamyak Technicals, you get the notification of that video. And also like the video, and also share this video as much as you can do. and also watch my other video of unboxing on my channel. And that is all for today, guys. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.